Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the system. Close the Epic Games launcher and any running games so files aren't locked. Once done, make sure your OS has no pending updates, because launcher updates can depend on system libraries. Also check disk space and network. You need at least 2 GB free and a stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection to avoid corrupted downloads. These steps prevent common failures and make the updates smooth, so start them now before launching the updater. Now run the launcher and trigger the update. On Windows, right-click and choose Run as Administrator to grant necessary file permissions, while on Mac OS use the normal launch. The launcher will fetch and replace files. Don't interrupt the power or network during this phase, because partial updates cause corruption. Monitor the progress bar and open the launcher logs if you see pauses. Noting any error codes helps diagnose issues later. If the update stalls, wait a few minutes and check bandwidth. Finish by restarting the Epic Games launcher and then reboot the PC to finalize file locks. This ensures services restart cleanly. If the update fails, clear the launcher web cache or temporary files and retry, because stale cache often blocks patches. Make sure to verify installation files next. That fixes mismatched binaries. As a last resort, reinstall the Epic Games launcher while keeping your games folder intact to avoid re-downloading games. If you hit a persistent error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.